Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is a very frequently asked question. Where do we find good mentors, people who can help us out in our design journey? Today, I'm going to show you some incredible platforms that will help you find great mentors. But apart from that, will also help you in your design journey, upgrade your skills and so much more. So without further ado, let's just get started with the video. Now, most of these resources are absolutely free, so free mentorship for all. So the first platform we're looking at is called Mentor Cruise. Not only is it a great design mentorship platform, but it also has some incredible mentors across development, tech, product management, business, entrepreneurship, so much more. So for example, I want to find a UX research mentor. And once you have typed in that, it kind of filters all the mentors out on the platform. And you can find a lot of these mentors here with specialities in research, with specialities in different areas in general. And as you can see, some of these are from incredible companies. One is from Ericsson, there's somebody from Amazon Web Services, there's somebody from Zillow. You can ask them questions about design, about their company, about so much more. Now, all of these mentors have their specialities, their niches written here in tag. They'll have it here. So if that is a niche you really want to know something about, you can ask them. Okay, I know you guys are seeing these massive price tags, $100, $150. But if you are somebody who just wants to get a little taste of mentorship, you can always join their 7-day free trial. You can just take calls from them, to 2 calls a week, and I think that'll be a great opportunity. You can of course check out the entire profile, and of course they also have add-ons. So for example, you want them to review your design work. They can spend 30 minutes reviewing your design work. Isn't that fantastic? Of course, if you're in a company, they also have mentorship for teams. Mentorship for corporates is also here if you need that. Hey, if you're confident enough, become a mentor on their platform and start not only earning money, but also giving back to the community. One-on-one mentorship from designtoolbox.com. So the Designer's Toolbox has a lot of great blogs and articles, etc. However, there is this really cool thing that I found on their platform called Book a UX Mentor Session. Of course, they have all their details. There is a profile of Nick, who is of course the person behind this platform, but also is a great UX mentor. You can even check out what he does and how much experience he has, where he's worked at, etc. And of course, there is LinkedIn, so you can check him out. Apart from that, all you need to do is say book a UX mentor session. Once that is done, it will open superpeer.com, which is basically a platform where mentors can teach directly to you. And of course, you can either chat with him, you can have a portfolio review, or you can chat with him for 60 minutes video one-on-one session where he talks to you about what your goals are and how you can achieve them. Since we're talking about Superpeer and how they have really cool mentors on their platform, they also have someone called Sharon, who I stumbled upon on YouTube. So she's a YouTuber as well, and she's doing these great portfolio reviews, 30-minute sessions, design reviews, interview preparations as well. She's from Germany. I'm pretty sure she'll be able to help you with your design journey. So go check her stuff out and subscribe to one of these services that she has to offer. GetMerit.com. What an appropriate name for a platform like this. It's covering everything in tech, this platform. It's called one-on-one video career advice. So there's more career advice than technical advice in general. Of course, there are so many different kinds of building a portfolio like this one for your job search, of course, and so many different people who are in this space. Yuki, the vice president of product at Figma, is here on Merit. And of course, you can book a session with him. You can, of course, scour his LinkedIn, and you can see what other things he's talking about. So if you want to talk to him about breaking into tech, if you want to talk about negotiating a promotion/offer, mock interviews, etc. Not sure how active this man is because, you know, he's a busy guy. If you get to book a session with him, let me know in the comments below. VP of Design at Brilliant.org, product designer at Etsy. Such amazing, incredible people are here on this platform. And guess what? This platform is not here to make millions of dollars. Here it's mainly to helping the community move forward. So go check this out. I think it's incredible the kind of talent there is on this platform and how they can help you with your journey. thumbs up. As a cherry on top, they also have something called the Retro by Merit, where they talk about how you can build a career in tech in general. Different episodes will feature different amazing talented people and their journey and how they made a space for themselves in this entire tech world. Of course, if you're looking to become a mentor, they have something called Leaders, where you apply to become a leader on this platform and where you can teach people and they can follow you for advice. Now, this is a platform that I've been really, saying good things about on LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. You can literally push out UX prototypes. So if you create a nice little prototype for your application or website, you can send these amazing experts your designs and you'll get expert feedback in return. How cool is that? And not only that, they also do live calls and sessions with you after they've reviewed your designs, so they can actually explain to you what's wrong or what's great about your designs. And this is one of those few platforms where everything is free upfront. So there are certain people who might be at a higher position, or their time might be slightly more valuable, but a lot of these designers here are doing it either for free, so $0 for a video answer. Some people are doing it for $5, $10, $15, and the others are doing it for a higher price. But with the higher price, I would assume comes better quality. So no matter what your budget is for mentorship, no matter whether you want to get it for free or you would like a more detailed run, if you get it from an expert for $90 or $80, whatever your budget is, you can find something here. The thing I like about this platform is how practical the approach is. They discuss your prototypes. So you're basically running them through your designs and prototypes, and they're, helping you understand how to improve it. It's incredible. Now, how could we talk about a mentor list and not talk about one of my favorite platforms called adplist.org? A really cool platform where 4,500 plus mentors from all across the globe, from amazing companies, amazing backgrounds, come together, mentor you guys. And what would that cost, Puneet? Well, that would cost you nothing. Expand your skill set, gain insight, and get support from mentors at no cost. Isn't that straightforward? So there are different kinds of content that they push out with their mentors. There is, of course, you can book a free one-on-one session with any of their mentors, depending on their schedule. There are group sessions, which even I hosted with them a while back. And of course, you can do things like career advice, skill advice, job search, mock interviews, etc. And one thing they've made sure is that you get great quality. Each of these mentors not only have great backgrounds, but they also have minimum 5 years of experience in their field of expertise. So whoever you're talking to has valid resources, has valid knowledge, has valid experience behind them. Again, designers from Google, Facebook, Twitter, etc. You'll find all of these incredible designers from all across the globe. What's unique on this platform is the ability to really, go down the list by filtering and searching. Search for company, search for role, and search for even language. So if you're comfortable with speaking in Hindi or Portuguese or any other language that you can think of, you can type it here, and if somebody knows that language fluently, they can speak to you in your native tongue. Apart from that, there are expertise in all different kinds of areas: PM, marketing, software, design, etc. Advice from higher position people as well. Ask them about the job environment in that country or where best to find jobs, etc. This is a great feature. Not only that, you can also filter between group sessions. There are mentors talking about different topics on this platform. There are some mentors who are great at managing people. There are some mentors who are great at changing their roles. So somebody might have changed from product manager to UX designer. Who has that experience behind them? You can always, get their expertise from that topic. And all of these mentors have been through that change of role. How incredible is that? A huge shout out to ADP List. Again, they don't sponsor the channel or anything. It's just a platform that I really appreciate, and I'm really happy that exists. This kind of is a little off topic, but Design Full Time is highly curated and high quality platforms and contents on the internet. So if you guys don't know about Dan Petty, he is a very popular designer, not only on social media, but he's written some incredible books. He's done some incredible work with a lot of incredible companies out there, a lot of products that you might be using on your phone right now. And he explains everything with such simplicity and suave that you feel like you're not studying, you're learning, and you're getting inspired to do something new. So he has a really cool course. Again, not a one-on-one course, more a recorded course. But if this is your next course, then I would give a huge thumbs up to you, because very high quality. And if you want to get a little bit of taste of what the course is, the first clip, Importance of One Main CTA, that's the title, is absolutely free to watch. So you can watch the first part of the course for free, and if you like it, you can buy it. Again, I'm earning $0 from it. There's nothing in it for me. I think you guys will earn a lot from his course. And of course, if you're from India or from any other country where, you know, the purchasing power is different, it's not like the US. You can always use this code on top, Crank70, to get 70% off on the entire course. So a lot of you designers might want to open your own studios, maybe do freelancing, open a startup. A lot of different ideas might come to mind. Now, where do you find great advice for your business, for your freelancing, for advertising, marketing, your services, etc.? On a platform called growthmentor.com. And as the name suggests, for growth, for business growth, for startup growth, for freelancing growth, you can come onto this platform and get one-on-one sessions with a lot of incredible mentors from a lot of different companies. So you have all these different expertise: growth marketing, product launches, market strategy, startup funding, content marketing, which is very important for designers these days, data science, copywriting, startups, pricing strategy, no code, my favorite. You have OKRs, of course, remote work, idea validation, wow, sales, link building. If you keep going like this, the list is absolutely never ending. But I found design and UX. So if I click on this, you'll find a bunch of amazing people: IBM, General Assembly, Pick2Chart. There's so many incredible people who you can connect with, see what kind of tools they use, what expertise they are, and if they are available or not, and how much they charge. And you can see reviews from actual people and how many sessions he's given. Real upfront reviews, the kind of toolkits he used, the kind of expertise he has, and different experiences. Very, very detailed. So not only is this a very vast platform with different skills and different expertise, but it's also very, very vast with the knowledge they're giving you. To be honest, I'm very interested in Monica's profile because I really appreciate IBM's design system. And yes, she has an entire intro video, so she's explaining herself, her services, free, price per hour, incredible, 15 minutes, 30 minutes time blocks available. I'm blown away. Again, just go check out their reviews, go check out what suits you. They're really keen to mentor people and give back to the community. Thumbs up for that. Well, look what the cat dragged in. Designwings.in, a company that I founded about 1.5 years ago, and it's been going very well. We've hosted a bunch of cohorts. We've placed a bunch of students in a bunch of great companies. We've helped people not only get certified, but also to build such amazing portfolios, such amazing designs. So if you're in India and you'd like to get mentored by top experts from top companies, then I suggest go check out our platform called designwings.in. You can even view demos that we've done or join a demo, which we'll be doing very soon. And I'll see you there on the other side. Alright guys, that is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I post such incredible content every Monday and Thursday. I'll see you every week, same time, same place. Until next time, take care. God bless.